हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू सिद्धि नॉलेज कट्टा। आज हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट है। वी हैव उन्नति मोजिद्रा ओवर हियर। शी हैज डन हर MBA फ्रॉम एकेडमिया एंड currently is working as a team lead of business operations at Galaxy Surfactants Limited. हेलो उन्नति, वेलकम ऑन आवर पॉडकास्ट। आज बहुत सारी बातें करने वाले हैं आपके साथ।
For sure.
How excited are you?
I am very excited. It feels like I'm again in a Siddhi classes. I'll be sitting to this bench and I'll attend the Mahesh sir's lecture.
ओके, जैसे कि हमको पता है महेश सर हमेशा लेक्चर में एक चीज बोलते हैं MBA, तो इसका फुल फॉर्म हम लोग को सिखा के रखा है कि मने बधु आवड़े। सो MBA आपने किया है, आप बता सकते हैं कि आपने क्यों ये चूज किया कोर्स, उसके पीछे आपका क्या थिंकिंग था?
Yeah. So, basically when you consider MBA, it is like a Master in Business Administration. It is a very big word, although that तुम्हें burden आ जाता है कि ये क्या चीजें चल रहा है. So when I was in an initial stage on my graduation, of course I have done in Siddhi classes only. So initial stage I was not very much clear about for which course I should go after a graduation. Since you in a generation where you get influenced by so many people, you don't take decision on your own that after this I'll do this, I'll do that. Very few people, very handful people are there actually in current generation who have a very clear thought about their career. So I was not part of that bunch of group. So I was the other kid that who doesn't know what is an MBA in a generic. As a full form, so as a hint, what will be there in that particular course. But later on, this MBA has came into my career only and only through Mahesh sir only. So he introduced this course to entire batch of us. There we have understood there is an academia who actually taking an MBA in a very wide range. So there are people who are coming and getting themselves validated first, whether they are eligible to do this course. So it is not like that I have just decided and I am going now to do an MBA and the industry will accept me. So there I just gave a thought that चलो यार कुछ decided नहीं है, let's discover the path which my mentor as a Mahesh sir he is suggesting me. So I just choose that path. I just went there in college. I just gave my interview there. I cleared the what you can say that there was many activities also they give you there,
like group
and they even
and everything.
yes exactly. So there are many activities you have to go through it. So it is like basically they evaluate you whether you will be perfect fit or you will be able to do this particular job, what you can say as a course or not. So later on, I didn't got selected on first round. So it was very disheartened for me for sure, because being in a very good scorer student, you sometimes stumble. अरे मैंने कैसे नहीं clear किया? There are many people who went ahead with me in that particular training. So out of that I guess many got passed out there. They got the first selection then and there only. So I was very worried. I don't have that particular ability in me, or maybe I have to work more. So एक ऐसा हो गया, चल यार I'll give a second shot as well. I asked Mahesh sir, I just want that particular college to evaluate me again. So there are of course a second round as well. So it was a telephonic. So, and later on they asked me certain questions. I answered them properly and then I got selected there.
Okay.
So this is my MBA journey overall. How to get a non-cleared student into an MBA course. So it was overall journey of me.
Okay, that's great. So next thing that I want to ask you is आपने ये MBA में क्या सीखा और क्या एक्सप्लोर किया, क्या एक्सपीरियंस था आपका इसमें?
Perfect. That's another journey. That's a different journey from what you live from your first standard to your 15th.
क्योंकि ये जर्नी मेरे ख्याल से कॉलेज और MBA का कॉलेज इज वेरी डिफरेंट. कॉलेज में हम लोग ऐसा बहुत कैजुअल होते हैं.
Yes.
पढ़ाई नहीं करना, कॉलेज बंक करना, दैट इज वेरी कैजुअल.
Very casual.
बट MBA में यू हैव टू टेक इट वेरी सीरियसली. तो ये
Right.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है? क्या पढ़ने को मिलता है? आप खुद की पर्सनालिटी में क्या चेंजेस देखते हो इसकी वजह से?
So it is again the same thing. Like when you are going from your school thing to your college thing, you have a different attitude. Your personality get changes.
Yeah.
Many things get improved.
Yes.
Many things get worse there as well. We have to consider on the negative thing as well. So again, when you go from your college to your MBA life, MBA is a different life for sure. So you have that certain casual attitude in yourself since you have enjoyed your 5 years
Yes.
in your college life. So here it is different in like what you can say as in your personality you developed many things. You explore your skill set as well.
Yeah.
You know, in your graduation you don't come at this situation where you identify, where you evaluate yourself
Yes.
with others because it is very casually taken.
Yeah.
In current generation, even earlier, it was like someone has done the metric, it was on a higher side.
Yes, yes.
Someone has done the graduation, it was on a higher side.
Yes.
And now it is not.
No.
So
It
when
does
you
not
take
have
such
that value.
yes, exactly. When you take such courses, so many things get improved in yourself. You learn from the other kids as well who are very sure about their career.
Yes.
You know, you have just planned your what you can say as in you have just planned कि I just want to do this particular course.
Yeah.
There. मैंने तो as in start ही वैसे किया था. I just want to explore this.
Yes.
Yes, for sure. In my mind, it was also there that I have to understand the business. What you can say as in understand the business whole.
Yeah.
What is there? You just know the business as a dhanda. It's something you have to start from scratches and something you have to build.
Yes.
Some problem you'll be solving there.
Yes.
So it was there in my mind. Being in a Gujarati family, it was there in my mind. I want to explore this business side as well. So MBA would be an added advantage for me if I do so perfectly. And second, for sure, you develop the management skills as well as the leadership skills
Yeah.
from there. That
Which
is
is
a
very
huge benefit of the particular courses. That you have a 360-degree changes in your personality and that you encounter when you start evaluating yourself from the first day. And you take this courses very, not very casually, but very and very firmly that I want to be at somewhere. In particular timeline or in a particular what you can say as after course or in my job level.
So if you want to manage your family business or you want to start a business, then also this course can help you
Exactly.
very much.
Exactly.
Okay. Now can you tell me you have done a double specialization?
Yes.
So there are 3 types of specializations basically in MBA. There is the finance, the human resources and the marketing. तो ये जो एरिया है बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप करके रखा है लोगों ने कि अच्छा तेरा अकाउंट्स अच्छा है तू फाइनेंस कर जा,
Exactly.
अच्छा लड़की है तू HR कर ले. एंड वही स्टीरियोटाइप करते हैं ना कि हम लोग मीम्स वगैरह देखते हैं अच्छा HR क्या करता है, रंगोली बनाता है वगैरह ऐसे. तो वो लड़कियों को स्टीरियोटाइप करता है. मार्केटिंग इज फॉर जेंट्स, तो लड़के लोग सब मार्केटिंग करो. बट और भी बहुत सारा कुछ निकला है. आपने तो 2 स्पेशलाइजेशन किया है, तो वो कैसे हुआ?
So I firstly add on to your stereotype things only. So as you rightly said, the people has categorized the what you can say as a specialization for a particular gender. See, so it is like also there is a theory that if it is marketing, it is sales. तुम्हें घर घर जाके बेचना है, तुम्हें calls करने हैं. You have to pitch for the product only. So in a marketing as well, in a marketing itself, there are many things.
Yeah.
It is about how you position your product in the market, how you position your business into the market.
Yes.
There are many sub branches into the marketing thing as well.
Yes.
So as you said, there is a 3, but there is now many more specialization coming into this.
Yes.
You must have heard about the Chat GPT and all the
Yes.
AI tools.
Yes.
So people are also getting fearing about ये मेरा job लेके जाएगा घर के.
बराबर.
So there are many courses which are getting into the specialization which people may pursue.
Okay.
Yeah. So as you said, ki I have done I have chose the two specialization for myself. So it is basically my mindset was very clear. I want to know what is the business
Okay.
in whole.
Okay.
So I was very clear from the day one only that I'll for sure take the marketing as my first specialization.
Huh.
Since here from your ground level you understand the business, that how people are making their business,
Yes.
how people are finding their product,
Right.
what solution or what product they want to offer to the market.
Yeah.
So this is what people think and how their mentality works there. So once you understand this, you build yourself accordingly. You understand what your skill set is, what your personal agenda with your business or with your degree. So this was the main thing. And second, as an HR, because HR also has a many important role in a company.
Yes.
As you know that without even I set a company, and if there is no one in my company without me,
Yes.
whether that particular business or a company will be able to survive and market, no. You need a right set of people in your business,
Yes.
right set of people in your business to take it ahead, to have the particular goals set in your mind as well as with your people. So this is what the fill-in thing which the HR does for us.
Okay.
And many things are there which HR does. Even in a corporate thing, when you say HR, they also take care of the individual as in their career level.
Yes.
They define your career path in the corporate. This is the major role which HR has in the corporate.
Okay.
That's the main thing.
Right.
Not only the Rangoli thing.
Yeah. Thank you for bursting that myth. Okay. Can we talk about what अगर किसी ने MBA किया तो जब फ्रेशर ऐसे निकलता है तो उसका सैलरी पैकेज क्या होता है एंड व्हाट इज द ग्रोथ ऑफ दैट पैकेज जैसे जैसे पोजीशन बढ़ता जाए.
Thank you so much for asking this. many people around us, they have this in their mind that चलो MBA कर लिया, you will be getting the 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs का package as on first day only.
Right.
Once you go for an interview, you get in 5-6 lakhs का package. See, to have an imagination or to have a dream like this, it is okay.
Yeah.
It is of course okay. You can set a target for yourself. You can set a goal for yourself. But you should know how much effort, how much work you have done to achieve this goal.
Yes.
You have to evaluate yourself as well. So as you asking how much pressure gets here. See, basically it is upon someone who has actually worked harder,
Yes.
who actually worked on herself or himself to be a better person or be a better version of himself or herself once he complete the course.
Yes.
So an average student also get a 3 lakh package to 4 lakh package once you done an MBA for sure. Because कि मैंने पूरा टाइम कोर्स में 2 साल कुछ भी नहीं करा. It is not like that. In MBA you get a simulation situation where you cannot just sit on bench, you cannot just attend the lecture and go home. It is not like that. You have to come forward, you have to present your thoughts in front of the people who are sitting there. You have to present what you have actually grasped in your mind.
There is a lot of practical knowledge.
things.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the added advantage that you even yourself doesn't know कि मैंने इतना grow कैसे करा. That is the reason I shared. Even the fresher, once he leaves the MBA college, he gets an above 3 lakhs package for sure.
And it will eventually grow as
Eventually grow.
his position.
It is surely grows. See, even after doing an MBA, you cannot expect कि मुझे सब आ गया. No way. It isn't always a difference between your theoretical, your practical knowledge and your practices.
Yes.
I have done something in MBA where it has been it was in simulation of current situation. ठीक है. When you go in a market, when you work with a certain company, वो तुम्हें बोलेगा कि ये challenges हमारे पास. Now we have to work on a real time challenges with that particular company. So it will be another set of journey for you. and how and as in when you get an experience and you get more and more knowledge about that, you will grow for sure.
Right. And another thing I wanted to ask you, you are now working in a corporate world. So what are the pros and cons? क्योंकि आजकल सब लोग ये सीरीज देखते हैं क्यूबिकल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, तो कैसे बहुत ऐसे ग्लैमराइज होता है कि ब्रेक होता है, खेलने को मिलता है, देयर इज अ गेम एरिया एंड एवरीथिंग, कैफे होता है, तो ये सब कैसे होता है? इसका प्रोज एंड कॉन्स जरा बताए। प्रो तो सबको पता है, बट वी हैव टू सी बोथ कि प्रो भी क्या है, कॉन्स भी क्या है कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के।
See, as you saying that there is a games and all these things, so of course company will take care of you.
Yes.
As a part of HR also, you have to think about person's what you can say as in career growth, as well as whether the particular person is able to deviate his or her time for her family, for her education, or for her or whatever work or the roles the particular person has in a company.
Yeah.
So for sure, pros are many. It is also a perspective of a person how he is looking at a particular thing.
Yes.
See, being in a very what I can say for myself, as in very particular about my goal. I know I'll be getting this opportunity in my company. I'll take that. I'll grab that opportunity, and I'll try to just grow.
Yeah.
I'll get opportunity and I'll try to grow as much as I can.
Yes.
So I will not see any opportunity as on a negative side.
Yeah.
You know, if someone is giving me the in a very lemon language, I would say if my manager or if my leader is giving me the extra work or extra assignment, I will not consider particular situation as in something. अरे ये मुझे क्यों ज़्यादा काम दे रहे हैं? No, I will take this as an opportunity to grow myself.
Yes.
So this is also one aspect which you can consider while having a differentiation between the pros and cons.
Yes.
And cons as such, when you are putting everything of yourself, I don't think so you will see much more con in some company or in a corporate levels. Everyone as a person, you know, every person has a bad side or the good side.
Yes.
So the same way, when you are acting towards your certain things
Yes.
in a positive manner, you will not see the negative side of it. In a con side, I would just say that if you are as I said, I take this as an opportunity in my mind.
Yes.
This is my perspective of looking at the things. So the same way, you are also not maintaining your work-life balance there.
Yes.
So this may go in my cons area.
Yes. You have to set your boundaries कि कहाँ
खत्म करना है आपको.
Yes.
Cons is also we can consider as in there are many people around you in the corporate who will influence you
Yes.
to take the advantage.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to be very cautious when you are dealing with your colleagues, with your best buddies in the corporate. So you have to be extra cautious when you are working in the corporate. You get to know on your first day, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि सब कुछ मुझे समझ आ गया. Cons will be there in a particular company with a particular person. It will be there. It will be also depend on the situation how you are taking it.
Yes.
That's the main thing.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So now for the last question for you today. ऐसे तो MBA के बारे में बहुत कुछ हम लोग ने जान लिया है, and जैसे कि आपने पहले भी बोला कि ग्रेजुएशन आजकल सिर्फ is not the bare minimum also. आपको कुछ ना कुछ एक एडेड अपने लिए स्किल सेट लेना ही चाहिए. तो MBA इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन जो हर कोई कर सकता है. लाइक ऐसे नहीं कि मेरा अकाउंट्स खराब है तो CA नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज गो फॉर एन MBA. इट इज एन ऑल राउंड की सब सब्जेक्ट का आपको एक आ जाएगा एंड यू गेट अ नॉलेज ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट्स गोइंग ऑन. ओके. देन मुझे ये पूछना था कि जब आप MBA देखने जाते हो मार्केट में, तो देर आर सिमिलर कोर्सेज लाइक MBA. देर इज MMS, दैट इज मास्टर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज, एंड देर इज PGDM. तो क्या ये MBA ही है या अलग है, और क्या ये करने की वजह से आपका मार्केट में कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी कम हो जाएगा या सेम है, क्या है ये, थोड़ा आप बताइए.
See, it is again like after your graduation, you go for the commerce, science. तुम अपने हिसाब से आर्ट्स ये सब में इंटरेस्ट लेते हो. So MMS is also a management studies. MBA is also a management studies with the administration thing you get. And the PGDM is of course also a management studies. The difference is somewhere in a MMS. It is like a courses has been defined by our universities. So there you have the very predefined courses जो चले आ रहे हैं. जैसे हम बोलते हैं इट इज नॉट अ प्रैक्टिकल थिंग एंड देयर इज नो
नहीं हुए हैं वो.
करेक्ट कि जो अभी प्रैक्टिसेस चल रहे हैं इन द कॉर्पोरेट इन रियल टाइम, वो यहाँ पे अपडेट नहीं हुए हैं. But still, someone who wants to just understand the management thing, they can opt for the MMS. For the PGDM and MBA, you get an overall course structure in a way that you understand the management as well as the administration thing.
Okay.
So none of the courses have the very higher side or the very lower side. I would say just explore your interest area first. What is your goal for getting into that particular course? Identify that first and then go ahead.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच उन्नति. आज का ये जो पॉडकास्ट था इट वॉज वेरी वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव. सबको बहुत हेल्प हुआ होगा सब MBA के बारे में एंड व्हाट द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड इज. और आपने तो मेनली सब दिखाया है कि हाउ टू ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी.
Exactly.
तो दैट इज अ वेरी गुड एटीट्यूड कि पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से हमेशा हमको जाना चाहिए. इट वॉज प्लेजर हैविंग यू ओवर हियर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Prapti. It is like overwhelming for me to coming to my Siddhi classes. I always said that because I have the elder siblings. उन्होंने भी यहीं से किया है, मैंने भी यहीं से अपनी स्टडीज कंप्लीट की है. सो आई हैव अ वेरी गुड कनेक्शन विद द सिद्धि क्लासेस एंड आई हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल साइड फॉर द माय सर बिकॉज ही एक्चुअली गाइड मी द वेरी राइट पाथ इन माय इनिशियल स्टेज. दैट्स द रीजन आई एम हियर. दैट्स द रीजन माय पर्सनालिटी हैज दिस मच चेंजेस ओवर द टाइम. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू.